For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we alone in the universe? The universe is a vast and incredibly ancient expanse, filled with billions of galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars and potentially even more planets. With such immense numbers, the possibility of extraterrestrial life seems almost inevitable. Scientists have discovered numerous planets in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be right for life as we know it. Mars, Europa, and Enceladus within our own solar system have shown promising signs that microbial life might exist or once existed there. Researchers and astronomers use powerful telescopes and advanced technology to search for signs of life beyond Earth. The discovery of even simple microbial life elsewhere would be groundbreaking. But what about intelligent life? Advanced civilizations that might be out there, somewhere among the stars? The famous Drake equation attempts to estimate the number of active, communicative, extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. The results vary widely, but many scientists believe that intelligent life is possible, if not probable. So, if there are aliens out there, why haven't they visited us? Why haven't we seen any clear evidence of their existence? There are several intriguing theories to explain this mystery. First is distance and time. Let's dive deeper into the first theory, distance and time. Imagine our planet Earth as a tiny dot within our solar system. Our solar system is just one among billions in our Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The scale is truly mind-boggling. The closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away. To put that into perspective, 1 light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is roughly 5.88 trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometers. So Proxima Centauri is over 24 trillion miles away from us. Our fastest spacecraft, Voyager 1, travels at about 38,000 miles per hour. At that speed, it would take over 70,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, which is currently beyond our technological capabilities, it would still take over 4 years to get there. Now consider that other potentially habitable planets could be hundreds or even thousands of light years away. The sheer distance is a massive barrier. For any civilization, including potential extraterrestrials, to travel such vast distances would require incredibly advanced technology, resources, and time. But it's not just about distance. Time is another crucial factor. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Our own civilization has only been around for a few thousand years, and we've only been capable of sending signals into space for about a century. The chances of two civilizations existing at the same time and being advanced enough to communicate or travel to each other are incredibly slim. Imagine two civilizations emerging millions of years apart. One might have already risen and fallen before the other even began. The window of time for two civilizations to overlap and interact could be very narrow. So, even if intelligent alien life exists, the vast distances and the time required to travel them make it extremely challenging for them to visit us. They might be out there, but separated by the immense scales of space and time, making contact incredibly difficult. Technological limitations. Imagine trying to travel to the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, which is over 4 light-years away. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take over 4 years to get there. Our current propulsion systems aren't powerful enough for such journeys, and navigating through space safely is incredibly challenging.
Into the flight.
Even if a civilization somewhere in the universe overcame these obstacles, they might not be interested in visiting us. We could be like ants to them, barely worth noticing. Alternatively, they might have visited already, but we haven't recognized their presence. So, while technological limitations might explain why we haven't seen aliens visiting Earth, they don't rule out the existence of extraterrestrial life. The universe is vast, and there's still much we don't know. Self-imposed isolation. Think of advanced aliens like careful scientists observing ants. They're watching us from afar, waiting until we're ready for a chat. Why? Well, they don't want to mess up our progress or theirs. It's like they're keeping us safe in a cosmic zoo. So, even though they're not saying hi, it's kind of like they're giving us a friendly wave from the sidelines. Different forms of life. Imagine you're searching for aliens, but you're expecting to find something similar to humans or animals. But what if aliens aren't like anything you've ever seen or even imagined? That's the idea behind the different forms of life theory. Think about how different life on Earth can be, from tiny bacteria in hot springs to huge whales in the ocean. Now, imagine a world where life is nothing like what we know. Maybe aliens are made of energy, or they communicate using colors instead of sounds. They might live in environments that would kill us instantly, like in the middle of a gas giant, or floating in space without any spaceship. So, even if aliens were right in front of us, we might not even recognize them as alive, because they're so different from us. This theory keeps the search for aliens exciting, because it means we have to keep an open mind and be ready for surprises. The Great Filter. This theory suggests that there is a stage in the development of life that is extremely hard to pass. It could be behind us, meaning intelligent life is rare, or ahead of us, implying that many civilizations self-destruct before they can spread across the stars. Now, let's talk about one of the most intriguing theories. What if the aliens are already here? Some people believe that extraterrestrials have already visited Earth or might even be living among us. Here are a few fascinating ideas why we might not notice them. The first is, governments might know about aliens, but keep it secret to avoid panic or to study alien technology privately. Second, aliens could have technology that makes them invisible or able to blend in perfectly with their surroundings.
They can see us, but we can't see them.
What do they want?
Energy, electricity.
Oh my God.
Third, instead of big, obvious visits, aliens might be subtly influencing us, studying our behavior, or guiding us in small ways. And aliens might exist in forms or dimensions beyond our current perception, making them undetectable to us. While there's no concrete proof that aliens are already here, these theories keep our imaginations buzzing. Whether it's secretive governments, invisible aliens, or subtle influences, the idea that we might not be alone on Earth adds another layer of mystery to our quest for understanding the universe. What do you think? Are the aliens already here? Share your thoughts in the comments below.